Hi, why is Bitcoin trading at $38,000 in Nigeria? That's what I'm going to discuss in this video. So rest of the world, Bitcoin is trading at $23,000 around that mark at the time of recording. We've experienced the January spike and we're very grateful for that. And I've talked about that in other videos. But in Nigeria, particular local market conditions have driven the demand. The demand for BTC has driven the price up to $38,000. And I'm going to explain why. First of all, since last October, Nigeria has been on a program of replacing the old currency notes. The central bank introduced a replacement of the 1,500 and the 200 Naira notes last October, and also introducing its own CBDC, the enaira. So people are being weaned off the old notes, replacement notes are being introduced, and CBDC is being introduced, and only 0.5% of the population have taken up the CBDC, the enaira. If you've watched my other videos here and on other platforms, you know that I've warned that CBDCs are the foundation for state control, so that state can see exactly what you're spending on your money on and control the amount of money you receive. So that's very dangerous. I've talked about that in other videos. But not only that, they've also limited the amount that Nigerians can withdraw at the ATM machines. So they've limited the ATM withdrawals. They've introduced a new currency, CBDC, and because of that, Nigerians have rushed in their increasing numbers to buy BTC on unofficial platforms, like local Bitcoins, for example. Rather, the market rate of BTC has reached 38,000, although currency exchanges like Binance still reflect the global price of around 23,000. So this is a massive increase, massive premium that's being paid in Nigeria for Bitcoin because of the squeeze on the old currency and the transition to CBDCs, which have not been popular. So this is quite staggering news and has been forced in some way by obviously the restriction on the banknotes, or the old banknotes, and the transition, but also the introduction of the CBDC. Thanks for watching this short video on the price of BTC in Nigeria. Hope you found this information useful. If you have, please give me a like. Click on one or two thumbnails to watch another video from me. I look forward to speaking to you next time. Until then, peace.